All right, Harmony Science Academy, 6th grade math students. We're going to cover three things in these next couple of days, all preparing you for the CBA 6. Very important, you guys got this, okay? 1 and 2, you guys got this, very easy. 3 is new to you guys, so let's spend more time here, okay? Evaluate each expression, and we're giving this, okay? Parentheses, -6 plus 4 minus 2 cubed. You guys would use Pemdas right here immediately, so let's do that. Okay, parentheses first, nothing, then exponent. Two times 2 is 8. Then Pemdas says add. Then Pemdas says subtract. Remember, subtraction is plus negative. Okay, so we get done. Okay, let's go to the next one. Evaluate each using the values given. Okay, value, a number. Okay, so we got a number here, and we're gonna get a number here. Okay, because value. This one says simplify. This one will be different. Okay, so this is use x equals 4, y equals 1, y plus x minus y. Okay. Well, since we have these parameters, these variables, and we're told what they are, we're going to substitute. You guys know how to substitute, right? Mr. I put in the 4 for x, good. But with parentheses, okay? So what about the y? The y is 1, parentheses, and then I put the plus. And then over here, Mr. X is 4. So you put the 4 in parentheses, then it's the minus. Mister, there's another y. What do? You put in the 1, parentheses. Okay? And now that you've substituted, now you can do Pemdas. Okay? Add and subtract. We're going to go left to right. And there's the value, right? The number, value, right here. Okay? So those are the ones you guys are going to do really good in right now. Let's spend some time here. Simplify each expression. Okay? Simplify, make simpler, right? 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Hey, mister, can you evaluate that? Sure. Okay, that's 4, 7, 4, 11. Okay. What about something like this, guys? X plus x. What does that equal? Well, 2x. What about 3 times x plus y? You guys would distribute 3 times x, which equals 3x, put the plus, and then 3 times y. Okay? So you guys know how to do stuff like this, and if you don't, look how easy it is. Okay? Numbers you can combine, variables you can combine, and when it comes to a number outside parentheses, you distribute. Okay? Distribute. Pemdas was here, substitute was here, now we're going to be on distribution. Okay, so all these things, they're going to play a role in this next problem. Okay, now the first thing we look at here is, Mr. We don't know what x is. Okay, that's fine. Sometimes in math you do, and sometimes you don't. That's fine. So once we look at this, you guys are going to think Pemdas, but here you have x plus 1. These are not the same. This is a variable, this is a number, you can't combine them. So pay attention to what we do next. We're going to distribute. You guys will be in these positions. And this is a new tool in your toolbox, okay, to distribute. So let's distribute first and see what happens. Okay, now. Okay. One thing to keep in mind is this is a minus sign, but it can cause problems. We've done this before, so the easy fix always, guys, is to put plus -3. A minus is the same as plus negative. Okay, so if you have a minus sign like this, so you don't get in trouble, put a plus negative. Okay, all right. Now, at this place, we're going to go ahead and distribute. Okay, if it looks weird, good. It's new to most of you guys, so pay attention. We're going to put this in here, plus negative 3 to the x, then this plus, and negative 3 with the 1 multiplied gives me negative 3. Okay, now I want you guys to notice, can I combine these two? He doesn't have an x, he does, so you should say no. Can I combine these two? He has an x, he doesn't, so you should say no. How about this guy and this guy? Can you combine them? You can. So I'm going to put them together up front, so negative 1 plus negative 3, and since I don't want to forget him, I'm going to put plus negative 3x. Why did I do that? Because these guys are common, right? They're the same type of terms, right? They don't have a variable, so this is negative 1 plus negative 3, negative 4 plus, okay? And then at the end, maybe on a test, they'll ask you to not have it in this form, so you might put a minus back, so you can go negative 4 minus 3x. Now, what was our goal? To simplify. We started with this, and now we have this. This should be simpler, okay? Appreciate your time. Catch you in class.